Hi, this is Prince, over 16 years old. First of all, thank you, sir, and DSBF for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak about anything or any topic or any biography of any person. So here I am present to speak about the biography of a very fabulous person. I hope you all know about that. This is Pradeep Narwal. He's a very good kabaddi player. Pradeep Narwal. Whenever someone is speak about the kabaddi, then the first name is come in her mind. That is one and only Pradeep Narwal. Because I think in a kabaddi there is no any legend who has a living currently. Because Pradeep Narwal is another level of player. He has his achievements, his goals, his rate. Everything is different from the other players. If you talk about his biography, then he born in 16 February 1997 in Haryana. He started playing kabaddi when he was just 6 years old. So here we got a one learn things that if you are interested in anything, then just try to do whenever you want to do. Not wait for the correct time. Make the decision and it will be convert into the better way. The second thing is that Pradeep Narwal is the one and only player in the whole country history. Whole the history of the kabaddi who has taken the 1700 rate points in a one season of in a all of season of any kabaddi league. He is playing for PKL. Okay, in PKL he started his career in PKL. The first season he's played for Bengaluru Bulls. Then he moved on a Patna Pirates and he played 4 years for Patna Pirates, and within just 4 years he won the 3 titles of PKL. It's amazing for the any player because no one is player who won the 3 titles in the four tournaments. And also there is also one interesting thing which is very good for Pradeep Narwal because he has a one and only player who is just debuted in 2016 for Indian national kabaddi team and he won the World Cup as a captain. No one captain did this in the currently time. He is the only player who won the 4 gold medals in just 4 tournaments. It's absolutely means perfect for the any kabaddi player. If I am talking about the any type of achievements, just like a Bharat Ratna or the Bharat Ratna on many more awards. So he did not get the any type of award, but because I know in our country there's a very few players who get the very good achievements or who get the nominated for the Bharat Ratna or the Arjun award for in a kabaddi. But I think in future the government will be nominated the Pradeep Narwal's name in the prize of Arjun award. I hope government will be do this. And the one thing is that what's a list to describe that man biography, because if we get a lot of time, then we can't describe because we get a lot of things to learn Pradeep Narwal. The one thing I learned that if you have courage to do anything, then just do. Don't wait for the time because times will be never come. If you think that you can do right time, then just do it. Don't wait for the whole thing. What's a list to describe that person? So I will describe just like this. Thanks for listening careful. That's all. Thanks.